Hello everyone and welcome to Success Trade Pro Research. Today we are going to know about indicators, and the first indicator that we are going to discuss is the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index. Now what is RSI? The Relative Strength Index, this indicator was developed by J. Willis Wilder. That is a momentum oscillator which measures the speed and change of price moments. The RSI basically oscillates between 0 and 100, and traditionally the RSI is considered overbought when above 70 and oversold when below 30. Signals are generated, or they can be generated, by looking for divergence and failure swings. RSI can also be used to identify the general trend of the market. I'm going to explain you how this indicator works. RSI is considered overbought when above 70, which you can see here. This region is the overbought region, which is above 70, and the oversold region, this region is the oversold region, which is below 30. This can be changed depending upon your basic strategies, and it can remain in the oversold region for a very long time or on an overbought region for a very long time, depending upon the trend. If the trend is a very long trend and it's upward, the region may remain over here, and if it's a downward trend, the region may remain over here. RSI also often forms chart patterns that may not show up underlying price charts, such as double tops, bottom trend lines, and also look for support and resistance on the RSI. And I'll show you how we can find the trend lines in the RSI. In this chart, you will clearly see the RSI of 70.30 and the price currently at 46.75 period. So RSI clearly forms trend line from 1, 2, 3, three touch points over here, and it clearly indicates how the graph is going to fall from this point. As soon as the RSI touches these points, the graph starts to fall down. Now I'll show you in the MT4 charts how this graph falls. As here you can clearly see the RSI goes at the area of overbought above 70 from this region and stays in this region for a long time. And now how you're going to trade is, as soon as you see the line falling downwards, you may prepare for a sell trade. And if you calculate at this exact point, if you take a sell trade, see this point, and you take around TP from 50 pips, but see, you hardly clear the TP is going around 60-62 pips. That is how the RSI works. This was for a sell signal, whereas you can take for a buy signal as well. Over here, the RSI is below 30, and as soon as we see the line pointing upwards, we take a buy signal, sorry. And the buy signal goes from here and take a TP of around 50 pips, but this trend extends up to like 164 pips. You can take a TP of 50 pips and a SL of 25 pips. So this was example of an RSI indicator which has a period of 14. This period 14 works perfectly fine with all the currency charts due to its volatility. So thank you for joining the video. And